We are making one of my favorite snacks growing up as a kid. Mozzarella and carrozza. Andiamo.
Start by slicing your mozzarella and pat it dry. Then cut off the crust from the bread, and now it's time to assemble. Lay out the bread, add the mozzarella, and season with a little salt. Then place another slice of bread on top to make a sandwich, pressing gently to seal it all in, and finally cut on the diagonal. Dredge in flour, eggs with grated Parmigiano, and breadcrumbs. Heat a pan with about a half an inch of oil over medium-high heat, then add them to the oil and fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. And you've got classic mozzarella and carrozza, and that's it.